Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting Summit 1 Vanderbilt. This is located in heart of the Midtown Manhattan. The closest subway station to reach this destination is Grand Central Terminal. You can pre-buy your tickets way in advance to get better deals, or if you want to buy your tickets here, there are ticket counters. The price of this range from $48 to $72, depending on what type of experience you want. As soon as we enter, we get into a lobby, and this lobby takes straight up to the 91st floor. The lobby is filled with mirrors. It gives magnificent view of everyone, and as soon as we exit, this is what we see. It's a beautiful view of Manhattan. Met One is more than just an observation deck, it's also an interactive experience. There are four different areas to explore. This is the main attraction, and it is truly immersive experience. You'll walk through a series of mirrored mirrors that create the illusion of being suspended in air. You have a 360 degrees of the entire Manhattan, including Statue of Liberty, and the view is just beautiful. You can just stay here and admire the view for good few hours. We took many pictures here because we loved this experience. We went around 3 to 4 p.m. and it was not too hot. We were here with our friends taking multiple selfies and videos. Best time to visit this is around sunset when the view is especially stunning. However, you can see that it is crowded at any given point of the day. Wear comfortable shoes if you're planning to visit here, and bring a camera because you would just want to take as many pictures as you can. This is a pair of glass ledges that just out over the city. If you're feeling brave, you can just step out of them and get a heart-pounding view of the city below. The rooms here are filled with colorful patterns that create a mesmerizing effect. Now let's go to that part of the Summit One which attracts tourists across the world. These balloons were made of a special type of material that was designed to withstand the wind and the weather conditions at the top of the building. The balloons are also filled with non-flammable gas, so there's no risk of catching fire. This is created by one of the artists, Gio Almigrin and Draxit, and they have created multiple works across the city. I had a wonderful time, and this at this place we're just playing with as many balloons as we can. We took a lot of pictures, and it was just fun to be at this place. Though there is a restriction of time that you can stay here only for good 5 to 10 minutes, but this experience was a memorable experience. Now we move to next part of the Summit One called Reflect. This is a series of mirrored rooms that have been created. The rooms are filled with colorful patterns that create a mesmerizing effect. to the final place of the Summit 1 experience called as Apris. This is a rooftop terrace where you can relax and enjoy a drink or a meal while taking in the views. I had a wonderful time at Summit 1 Vanderbilt, and I hope you all get a chance to visit this place. If you have already been to this Summit 1, please like, share, or comment. Please let us know how your experience was and when did you visit this last time. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful time.
La planta, claro, esto tiene ciento y pico tiene con la que tiene ahí para arriba. Increíble. Ahora se nota bajar.
Qué guay hecho.
Mira, de repente bajó 20 ya.
20 no,
Los oídos.
¿Cómo baja tan rápido? Y no baja. Abajo fácil bajar rápido.
Igualito que el ascensor del hotel. Igualito que
A la velocidad de esta abuela, el mismo, el mismo.
en la escuela yo creo que está lo mismo, ¿eh?
El mismo el otro día yo aquí.
Tarda como un
No, tarda el mismo en subir una plaza.
Exit to your right, your shop to your left. Exit.
Heading back home from Manhattan to New Jersey. That's the place where I live in. So have fun, enjoy your time. I had a wonderful time and I hope you have too. Take care, good night, bye.